Okay, so I first of all appreciate every single person who has taken the obedient stance of sending the therapy journal. I'm really happy and I'm so proud because we have understood the value of it, and even a person who is not part of the session ministry, she had also sent the therapy notebook once I announced, so which really means that you people are taking it serious. Now, very quickly, before we go to good manners point 2.0, I would like to talk something about it. What was the reason for reducing the number of therapies? You know, a person like Kalpita has been doing 6 therapies, and a person like Vedavashan was doing about 4 therapies, and a person like Vishnupriya was doing almost about 5 therapies, and a person like Mitra was doing almost about 5 therapies. Can someone tell me, we'll start with the online team, and in the online team also, when I was browsing through the therapy journals of all the people, I was witnessing about Dakshin Siddharth, but Dakshin Siddharth is not attending class today. Balaji is not here. So I would like to ask Mridubhashini first of all, how many therapies have you been doing in the past, and now why the number of therapies has come down? Mridubhashini.
Sir, first I was doing 7 therapies, sir.
Okay.
So now I'm doing 6 therapies, sir.
Why? That's what I'm saying. 7 therapies, right, in the beginning. But now, why the number has been reduced?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm doing 3 therapies in the morning and 3 therapies in the night, sir. But when I do the therapies in night, my parents or grandma will to go and sleep till like that, sir. So I was doing the therapies while my break, sir. So nowadays, teachers also giving more homework, sir. First of all, they give 3 homeworks only, sir. Nowadays, they are giving 4 and 5 homeworks, sir.
Okay.
So I was to write the homeworks in the break, sir. If I didn't send them in the time, they'll report to my mother, sir. And my mother will call me and ask, sir, why didn't you do the homework, sir? Like that, sir. So only I reduced it into 6, sir.
So the therapy has to be given to your mother, not you. Okay. Right. Fine. Okay. So that appears to be a reasonable reason from your side. Okay. So I want Vedavashan to answer. What is the answer for that?
Sir, I will do therapy, sir, but if you see the last month, sir, I will do it as a consistent basis, a regular basis, sir.
Day. ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் தனியா சொல்லணும். I've told you 5:10 is the cutoff time. Do you think it's a kind of a manners to come late each time? What is wrong with you when people are like Ravin Karthik is coming from Pollachi very soon, and you are residing somewhere over here a few blocks away, and what is taking you so much time? Now look at the time. The time is 5:17 now. I told you 5:10 is the cutoff time. What is wrong with you? Tell me a good reason. Why?
Today, sir.
Every day. You never come in time. Why?
So not like that, sir. Sometimes I may be outside.
Hello. Yeah, please go.
Sir, it will be in regular form, sir. If, for example, I will do it morning, sir. In case this month, sir, morning I came to sports, sir. So I will get time only for therapy to focus on, sir.
Okay.
So I will do therapies like day fixer, sir, and visualization in my break, sir. Whenever I go to a main period where I cannot understand very easily, sir. Like that, I will just visualize, sir. I think that this is not a proper way to do therapy. Whenever I feel I should not do no, sir. So I just think we should do in a regular, consistent basis. Whatever I do in a scheduled form, sir. For example, I have in my mind morning I should do alpha level and these therapies, sir. If I fail to do the therapy, I will not write in my journal, sir, because that's a mistake in my part. So I will just try to correct it next day, sir. So
Trying to compensate the next day.
Yes.
But besides that, there are some days where you are just not fulfilling the schedule.
yes, sir. I will do in the breaks, sir, but I won't take it as a whole, sir. Because whenever I feel like I'm doing that's the wrong thing, sir. So that's a serious thing to develop myself. So develop me, sir. So I will not write in the journals.
Okay, so, right, that appears to be a reason as well. Vishnu.
Sir, actually first I am doing cell therapy, sir, and now also I am doing the same cell therapy, sir. From September I will increase to 8, sir.
That's good. And the most consistent therapy notebook, which contained most of the entries not being diluted, were almost about 4 notebooks. One was Vishnupriya's note, another was Kalpita's note, and another one was Mitra's note. And with whatever minimum level of therapy exposure Mrina has got, she has been very consistent on a regular basis. So she's doing only 3 picture technique, and that was consistent. So Mrina, I appreciate you, although you have fallen into the track very late as far as the therapies are concerned. I really appreciate you for being very consistent.
Thank you, sir.
So
Well done, Mannatham.
yeah, and I have seen Hariharan's notebook. Unlike others, Hariharan submitted the hard copy of the therapy journal. It's also consistent. Good, very good. I appreciate that. But on the therapist, panna piragu unakku academic issues na varudhu enna kaரணம்? Test வந்து academic issue இல்ல. Issue na enna thundhu?
Problem,
Result is an issue for MHA. அந்த மாதிரி. இல்ல academic issue na first நாள், அப்புறம் fever na second நாள். Third day வந்துட்டு பாம்பு மாதிரி சட்டை போட்டு வந்து நிற்கிறேன். என்னன்னு கேட்டா அந்த மாதிரி தான் நான் சொல்றேன். So, my last question before we ask Mitra to take up the proceedings of good manners. We are explaining the sequence very, very quickly, and we are starting. My last question, Nitin Murugan, Ritvika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm going to send a couple of videos to both of you today after this session, and I want you to watch that video, and I want you to get into the therapy program. And next time when I'm asking, in the next round of therapy submission, the journal should come from you both also.
Sir, I can see the video, sir.
Sure, sure.
Okay, sir.
I'll put in the group one. Can you pass that?
Okay, sir.
So I'm going to give 2 therapies for Nitin Murugan and Ritvika. So you both should be starting to do the therapy. So Nitin, specifically for you, 2 days back in the US batch, I gave the therapy called as concentric circles therapy. Maybe I will send a video clipping of that, and I want you to specifically do that. Because in the US batch everybody is doing, they just started with the therapy journal entries from yesterday onwards. So I want you to do that also. I will send a video to you. Is that okay, Nitin Murugan?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. So keep doing the therapies, and I was deliberately giving a break of 1 full month. I did not speak about therapy submission in the month of September altogether, just to give you a break and see if any person is just going out of track. But it is not very contrasting. As much as the research that I have made with all the therapy notebooks that are submitted, not many people have been falling out of track, and that's a good sign. Right, give it up. One more video on that. The video part 3, new therapy. Alpha level.
Excuse me, sir.
One second.
Sorry, sir.
அதை பார்த்துட்டு நீயும் பண்ணாரு. Kiran, when are you submitting?
Sorry, sir. I was sleeping by the time you sent it, sir. I'll send it right after this class, sir, or I'll send it right now, sir.
Did you see the special mention that I made for you in the group?
No, sir.
So go back to the WhatsApp message, just scroll up and see what I have done, and I have given you a time specifically. Everybody has seen that. I want you to see that first.
Okay, sir.
Over to Mitra now, and Mitra will start explaining the importance of the skit and the first week.
So, sir, I have just listed about 2 slides specifically, sir, for about who are the Indian characters and who are the foreign characters, sir. So, in the first sequence, Indian characters will be having more scope to speak, sir. They all will be, it is up to their own creativity, sir. So, as I mentioned in the plot's first paragraph, sir, they are very busy in going here and there about booking tickets and this, that, sir. So, it is upon their creativity how to make it very interesting, sir. They can
So
speak.
you need to say the characters now.
Yes, sir.
Take the PPT.
So, I know my characters.
You know the characters. Okay, take the PPT and explain the characters.
Okay, sir.
only one cloud we have.
Sir, no sir, I kept yesterday only I kept sir. So sir, in the first sequence, these characters will take place. Sir, Catherine played by me, sir. Then Dinesh John played by Varshanana, sir. Then Liana played by Kalpita, sir. Sarah played by Vishnupriya, sir. Bhima played by Dakshina, sir. So he won't be able to.
He's not here.
Mohan Raj played by Prabhu Aditya, sir. Then Anu played by Mirudubhashini Akka, sir. Kritika Rao played by Kirtan Akka, sir. Then Purna played by Kiran, sir.
Okay.
And Anjana played by Virna Akka, sir.
Right. So what are they doing? What is the first sequence?
Here Peter Robinson will also be there, sir. So they have to speak up whatever they want, sir. They are here and there. In the characters itself, in the description itself, I must have mentioned about where they belong to, sir. The state where they belong to, sir. Now in this sequence, Mohan Raj, the character played by Prabhu Aditya and Catherine are having conversation about where they are going to held this conversation, sir. And at the same time, Dinesh and Liana, who are Kritika Rao, who are in their own respective states, they also call up and they are not of call conversations, sir. So it is the first sequence is based on conversation basis, sir.
What am I doing? Peter Robinson. Why is just phone conversation and Peter Robinson should be present?
He will be helping Dinesh and Liana for the booking the flight tickets, sir. And he will be welcoming them, sir, from the airport, sir. He will go and receive them,
So
sir.
this is whose space? This room is whose space?
This room is conference hall, sir. First, these people,
Belonging to who? Conference hall.
Mohan Raj, sir. In his house, this conference hall is there, sir. There, these people join and they gather there, sir. And in the next sequence, we will see what happens.
Yeah, okay. So the people who are going to be in this particular sequence are Vedavarshan, Prabhu Aditya, Kalpita, Mitra, Kirtana and Rohini Sundaresh. Vishnupriya. What we shall normally do is, instead of keeping only few people, we will have everybody. We will have everybody.
Okay, sir.
Because I don't want to keep anybody.
Then they can switch their roles, sir. The other people belong to US, sir. They'll be coming from.
Yeah, each person has brought a friend.
Okay, sir.
Each person has brought a friend. The Kalpita does not have the role of the first sequence, right?
She has.
Okay, right. So who does not have the role? Okay, then Nagalan is, yeah, Nagalan is Vedavarshan's friend. Krishna is Hariran's friend.
So Hariran,
In the sequence, Kavin Karthik is somebody else's friend. Nagalan to Kavin Karthik. And everybody, whoever wants to speak from the online, whoever wants to speak from the online, you can jump in and you do not wait for my approval. Just tell me that I would like to speak. Don't sit and remain idle. So, this kit is all about having and holding good manners and value system. So, in the first sequence, it's just only the acquaintance. No big deal of good manners has been infringed, but we require everybody to have a very good start. So that's how it is going to be. So the seating arrangement will be like this. What we shall do is, as if people are coming from outside, let them come and they get seated. Or instead of wasting time, we will just start with this own way. Like Peter Robinson will come and Catherine is here.
Yes, sir. Catherine and Mohan Raj are here, sir.
So you start off with
Sir, sir, what character am I playing, sir?
what is this name?
Sir, Matthews, sir. Max.
The name is Matthews and you are not in the first sequence. But you can join as a friend, just like here people are doing. You can join as Prabhu Aditya's friend. So Prabhu Aditya, do you understand?
Yes.
You have to involve the other people in the online as the friends of the respective other people.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions before we start? சீக்வன்ஸை முடிச்சுட்டு டக்கு டக்குன்னு அடுத்த சீக்வன்ஸ் போகும். ஏன்னா மெயினாக சும்மா இருக்கவங்க அடுத்த சீக்வன்ஸில் மெயின் கேரக்டர்ஸாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி
Yes, sir.
Can I move this chair to the side?
Yeah. No, I'll do that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we are starting. 3, 2, 1, go.
So Peter,
First of all, sorry ma'am, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome back. Yes, Peter Robinson.
so have all the people come and have you received them properly?
I received them properly and most of them have, I think most of them are here and some of the people are joined from the video conference.
So friends, did you have good journey and were you all comfortable with Peter?
Yes, yes. He was very kind.
Very good. Okay, Peter, just bring some snacks and we are having a small meeting. Refreshment, they need something to get refreshed, like long journey, different times. Go,
I'll
please.
ask the servants to do that.
Yeah.
As you know that I have been promoted and I'm not doing this.
Okay.
Oh, he got promotion. Congratulations.
Yeah, I was,
He was supplying cold drinks or snacks. Very good job.
no, I'm booking flight tickets and I'm
Oh,
taking
travel
care-
agent. Oh,
I'm
nice.
taking care of, travel agent kind of thing.
And Vinesh, Liana, Sarah, he was the one who booked tickets for all of you. As the charge, I gave him payment and he booked the tickets. I will give you 10 rupees, man. Not very
Commission,
yes.
commission.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that.
Thanks.
I'll send this next one.
So friends, do you know, we all know why we have gathered here.
Oh, Dinesh is calling here.
Yeah, and he's my friend. Nagula.
Moral support. So,
And
hello.
he's my friend Krishna.
Hello.
GK.
So we have gathered here. While tonight we will have some guests. And do you have any guests? Who are the guests are?
Who? I don't know. No idea.
Do you remember the journey?
Some of the VIPs.
Yes, Mohan Raj, you are correct.
VIPs?
What we
Yes.
Prime Minister? Yes, sir?
No, I
No.
don't.
We have the numbers now.
Yeah.
So do you remember the journey that we had last year? We went to US for gathering there and having a meeting. We had some friends there and those people are coming here for vacation. So that's why we have gathered here and I am very enthusiastic to receive them. And yes, he will explain to you, sir. And Kritika, how's your political life going on? Being MP?
She will get brave, I think.
She's
MP.
Dubai. Nice meeting.
So sir, can I know your name please, sir?
I'm Krish.
Oh.
What's your name?
Yeah, he's Krishna. He's Krish. He's TK. He's Tarun Krish. He's good Krish.
General knowledge.
Oh.
GK.
Okay.
Also GK person.
So we are all from different culture and different states. So here we are going to receive them and we are
Any
going
difference? We see among us.
No.
No.
We are from different states.
What? No difference?
Yeah.
You are the god of manners. You
Sorry,
are saying
sorry,
what?
sorry.
No difference.
Yes, definitely. I'm so happy and so pleased to receive you all here.
Whatever he did on the US trip, I do not know. When he was going, he was like a wild animal. When he came back, he was like a little.
That was like something big.
Peter Robinson.
Peter, where is the snacks?
Snacks.
What promotion you gave?
Snacks are fast approaching and Mr. Vinesh John, just like I have been exposed to you several years back, you are the same. And you please tell your friend to behave a little properly.
What?
No, he's very good friend.
See,
What is this? Yes, lot of good
as GK said, if you raise any word against me, he will kill you.
You have always been riding really hard because you are okay, right? You are having a very luxurious profession, but that doesn't mean that you have to be speaking very erratic to the downtrodden.
1 minute over.
You understand
My
that?
time is very
Okay.
valuable.
You understand that? And I'm also a martial arts teacher, and this
Oh, GK, show your.
What do you think? Peter, you please go out and bring all the refreshments we asked for.
they have already had the refreshments.
No, it's very no.
What's this like?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ತಣಿಸಿ the refreshment is getting ready and there are 2 of people and you have just had a flock of almost about 15-20 people here and the refreshment will take some time, madam.
Okay.
You got to understand
So
that.
do you remember we have to go and receive tonight that US
the US people who are
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah.
I,
What use people? Vinesh, you're not even telling me.
Yeah,
But Mr. Mohan,
no.
just like Catherine here has an acquaintance with everybody, I was also along with Catherine a couple of years, I mean the previous time when you all people were gathering. 5 years, 6 years now down the line in the past, and you people have never changed. But my boss Catherine has never changed, and she has always been with a good clarity. And you never had a very good clarity. You, that guy, this your friend.
You are making me right now. What
Yeah,
you are
yeah,
talking
yeah,
about?
because-
You see, Peter Robinson has served services in the Indian military, okay? Right? So you need to show some respect. Just because I'm bringing coffee, tea and all the snacks, it doesn't mean that I'm not a soldier. Okay, right? So you know,
Nowadays your clients are
you know
not,
who is- you know who is
your
a soldier?
services are not successful for your clients. That's
You know-
because of him,
you know who is a
It's very
soldier?
rude to your clients.
You know who is a soldier?
GK,
please, we are having some important
Yeah.
This is height of embarrassment these guys are giving.
Okay, sir, I'll give you extra salary. Go.
No, a soldier does not work for money.
It's-
I will give this extra. Okay.
I'll give
Soldier
10,000.
works for dignity. I'll take care of
Who
it.
is the soldier?
I'll poison your beer.
Peter, you're a very respectful person.
Poison is
You're
what?
a
You
very
only-
important-
Poison is.
You have come to the discovery that I'm the respectful person
You're
only now.
great. No. I know about you, so you please leave.
Mr. Mohan, I would like to get the well-being of Mr. Mohan because I'm seeing Mohan after very many years. Mr. Mohan, how are you?
I'm fine, Peter.
Finally with somebody with class. Mr. Mohan, you were just like the same when we met the last time. 7 years, 8 years, then 8 years, right?
What is this? Are you having memory loss?
Yes.
Just one
The
years
Indian,
ago.
the proud Indian
Soldier.
memory loss.
Soldier.
Proud Indian soldier has
Yeah.
So what is something, some bullet or something it is in
Catherine has got very many friends and she always arranges this kind of organizing. I mean, she always organizes this kind of a party. Each and every time. So each and every person is looking like you. Looking like this Captain America.
No one is looking
t-shirt.
this beautiful. Okay, what you are thinking?
Oh, the soldier.
Whom do you think? Who else Catherine from Catherine's film looks this beautiful?
I am a family friend of Catherine. You are just a friend, okay? There is always.
I am family friend of Vinesh, sir. Am I not?
Yeah.
BJ, come on, hit me.
VJ.
Finish short form.
So okay, where's the snacks?
Snacks is coming, you pig.
Get out, please. Don't like your dad.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Please don't fight, sir. We've all come here for like a meeting and like for an organization, like you said. And if we fight here, where else are we going to meet and talk?
Exactly. Point.
Hey, Purna, you did not call him sir. He's our servant. Yes, our bodyguard.
Sir.
Yes.
You can call him by his name.
But like you said, good manners is always the key. So even he does work for us, but he's still
Yes.
Purna, I wish I could give you a couple of plates of sweets, the savored sweets, the most costly.
That
Catherine
is
is not
3 years only.
You will just go ahead.
You should learn something from that girl Purna over there. You understand that, how to speak and how to behave. You have always,
You
You
are
fine, I myself will bring the snack for you kids.
Servant.
He's not respecting.
Sir, man.
Okay, so friends, do you have any ideas for making them explore this country?
Who is coming itself? You didn't
Yes.
tell me.
So, okay, sir. We actually went a trip to US. So there we had some friends and they were very close to us.
You keep any person for me.
One second. Good manners. Can I get some tea? Sir.
This is tea.
Poison. You think this poison? Cheers.
It's not nice to you.
Basic manners. When somebody is offering you something to eat,
Thank
you
you.
don't say
Thank you. Thank you.
5-star hotel, my
Namaskar.
food.
I'm not doing this. He's not even respecting us.
This is a ceramic gift that was given to Catherine by a German.
Not drinking.
உங்க பேச்சவங்க குடிச்சுக்கடா அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க சிவாரியா.
There you go, Mr. Krish. This is specially made for you.
That is his samos.
Is there any samos?
That is his samos.
Samosa.
Oh yeah.
And
You're all youngsters and you should be following a strict diet. Taking
Sir, no,
fat-
sir, the only person here who needs a diet is you.
Yes.
And maybe GK.
Ex-serviceman.
Well, this is your sex. He's older than you, and he's not your servant.
Sorry?
Sorry, what?
You guys need table manners, and he's not your servant.
Exactly.
No,
Thank you.
completely.
He's our
I'm
servant.
giving you
He's a
some-
servant, right?
Plus, he's older than you. He's much older than you.
Exactly.
He's actually someone.
He's too older than us. That's what we are saying.
This Saraj happened. Saraj too busting.
I'm given.
What is doing a
I'm
friend?
given to understand that you are Sarah's friend. So whoever you are, you have my respect. You have earned my respect, sir. Thank you so much. Unlike this,
Everyone
unlike
is
this
speaking.
kind
You are
of-
saying they want their respect.
Please stop fighting, everyone.
Boomer.
we are not fighting.
Just discuss what you're here to discuss. Don't fight.
Who did he call Boomer? Huh? Who did he call?
He's a boomerang.
He called me Boomer. You know what is a Boomer? You are saying Boomerang.
Nice.
What kind of a friend you have?
What
Catherine,
kind of a servant you have?
Peter, you better leave. Peter, you better leave.
My man, main man,
I
JK,
don't
what
know
is he, man?
you cannot touch my friend JK.
it doesn't mean that I'm getting scared and I'm backing off. Okay?
Judo Jiu-Jitsu expert. My boy.
You know that.
Judo?
Expert.
Judo?
Judo expert, my boy.
I'm
ನಮ್ಮ
playing
ಭಯ ಆಟ
I have a cop whose name is Super Subu. Okay? So it's just one click away. So he looks exactly like you, but he's a very nice kind of a person. And he can kick on your.
You better leave. Go. Why are you taking? You know.
Sorry. I am obeying your orders. The people who have been speaking in favor of me, I would like to personally thank you. Thank you so much. Somebody with class. I really appreciate that.
Thank you, sir.
Please. So now in the sequence, Catherine starts to get a little bit of a nerdish thinking that her friends are again little ill-mannered, and now 1.5 years back she was trying to teach some value system, but now what happens is she cannot speak just like she spoke 1.5 years back, because 1.5 years back they just got out of college and they were thick friends, but right now 2 years down the line people have got their own establishments. Like Ganesh John has got his own couple of more hotel chains and okay, so his friend is also, everybody is established, and she thinks that she is supposed to give some good manners even now, but when she tries to say that, people take things little personally. Exclusively the current characters who are playing in the sequence, they listen to Catherine and they are a little annoyed with the way that Catherine says. Is it okay if we include that?
Yes.
Yeah. So you try to advise, but those people are not receiving the advice, and then you take your advice back.
Okay, sir.
And you say, chill out. I mean, you can be in whichever way you want.
Okay, sir.
Right? So that's the sequence that is happening. So Peter Robinson comes and gives you some information, and these people again entreat Peter Robinson, and those people also start feeling. So the online people also start feeling that Peter Robinson is a little irritative. So the people who are speaking in favor of Peter Robinson, they also say something against Peter Robinson. So that guy leaves, and then Catherine tries to teach some good manners, but it is not properly received. Naturally, that is what is happening everywhere. When somebody is teaching good manners to someone, they will not receive it properly. The advice will not be taken in the right stand. Let us see that sequence. 3, 2, 1, go.
What a cup of tea. So today
A
night
cup
I
of
have arranged 4 cars for us. We are all going to together go and
Once again. How many people are coming?
10 people.
There itself already 10 people. From there are 10
If
people.
Peter Robinson comes,
If you arrange 4 cars and also Peter Robinson is coming,
No.
don't call him. It's such a waste of time.
Those
waste of
people-
space. Look
Yeah,
at all this
yeah.
place. What for?
You all take your so you
Sir,
name is
sir.
Nagulan, right? Your name is Nagulan, right?
Yes. Now you are an owner of HM Chicken. What do you know? Huh?
Nagulan sir, then
Rival of Sugino Chicken, you know?
GK sir.
Small boys.
Krishna, comfortable.
G. Krishna.
What are we?
Calm down.
Peter Robinson reporting now.
Peter Robinson, not a demon. Calmness. Peter,
We
why
are
arrange 4 cars?
I have got a couple of things to say before you ask some questions. There are some people who are in the video conferencing.
Okay.
They are going to stay, but those people who are coming tonight, I have arranged for the cards for them, but I have got a very important 2 questions to be asked. Question number 1, what are you planning? Why are they coming here? if you're going to give the itinerary, only then I will have to make all these arrangements. Because whatever the arrangement is, you told me that only 4 friends, and each of the 4 friends have brought some bundles over here.
Hey, what is
It's a-
You know who I am?
Let him come
If I cancel your family chicken subscription means what?
Yes. Yeah.
I got an important notification by phone that your company is going on a ride. Go take care of that.
I will take care. Don't worry, I will take care.
You are supplying chicken to Vinesh Jan's hotel, and all those chicken are rotten chicken. I should say.
What?
Mapla, no! He's saying.
Okay.
Mapla, what does that mean? Mapla?
Hey, you know, I'm from Kerala, he's from Tamil Nadu. What are you thinking, huh?
I will cancel the internet connection.
Mr. Mohan,
Chicken brother, yeah.
Yes, Peter.
என்ன cancel பண்ணணும்? What profession are you? Mr. Mohan. Mr.
Yes,
Mohan. Miss Purna. So you people planned for a trip or something. What are you planning? At
Hey,
least
that's personal. Get out.
forget Catherine, forget you piece of.
How does she is only paying your salary? Ma'am, what ma'am? He's talking about respect and he's speaking like this.
Don't say like this, sir. Everyone's going to get hurt.
Oh, no,
sir.
please,
Purna is my younger sister and you're talking to her, but I'm the elder, but you're not talking to me and you're saying leave.
How dare?
How dare?
Your salary is cancelled. Tell.
I am asking Purna, Catherine, and
Miss Purna, Miss
Madam,
Catherine,
okay.
Madam, okay.
I am
Hey,
talking
calm
to Miss.
down.
No sir, you calm down.
Yes.
No, be quiet. I'm talking.
Sir, party.
I am talking to Mr. Nitin Murugan, Miss Purna, Mr. Mohan, and Miss Catherine. And please understand that these are the only 4 people I am answerable to, not to any piece of trash. Heavy duty, heavy size piece of trash.
Sir, I'm standing up for everything you say.
Ah, come on, now he's coming to.
Yeah, you got to excuse me. You see, Mr. Nitin Murugan, it is an instruction from my boss Catherine that I will have to arrange something. And she wanted me to set some vehicles for the people who are coming from the US. And tonight by 7:30 they are arriving here. And I am going to collect them with the help of the 4 vehicles I have arranged.
Not you,
And-
we.
You gave these many instructions to him. You don't have time to explain that he should give some respect to us.
No, we didn't. Wait. I respect
Stop
everyone.
shouting.
Wait, let's
Excellent,
talk
excellent.
about it.
Yes, madam.
Sir. Oh, okay.
So everyone stop shouting. We are gathered here to enjoy something. If you shout like this,
We are here to enjoy.
time will
We are.
go, we can't enjoy anything.
Okay, Miss Ritvika, the profile name reads that you are Ritvika, you are somebody's friend. I'm so happy that so many people have gathered for the dinner. And how can I make the arrangement for ad hoc basis, on a sudden basis? How can I arrange? so
Okay, I
many-
will make the arrangements in 5 minutes from Sweetie. What are you thinking, huh? I mean, beaches. I will buy all of you 5-star hotel.
This hippo alone will take 4 courses of meal.
Are you arrange everything? Tell it.
Who are you calling hippo? He is only rhinoceros. One of a kind. he is.
I'm just working and I'm doing my duty. Mr. Mohan, what is the instruction you have? At least you say. If she is keeping mum, at least you
What
say.
I'm keeping, mom? This is conference hall.
He's useless.
I'm speaking to him. That's why I'm
I am
speaking
your
to him.
boss.
Okay.
Mohan is the owner of this place, madam.
He is.
I am the only one.
Only here I will sign on a check.
I am the one who knows the procedure and everything. I haven't revealed it yet to them.
Can I go close to the plasma TV and
Please
see
go.
something?
Go, enter into the
If you go too close, it will burst.
Hey!
Talking in front of the GK, man.
Mr. Mohan, Miss Purna, I'm using the salutation. Are you happy now?
I can see.
Mr. Mohan, Miss Purna, you see, you people are having
Yes, Peter.
you people are having good get together. I'm happy. Okay, so for a 55-year-old man, get together is not something to be really very much interesting and spicy. But you need to give me a prior information what kind of arrangements I'll have to make. Look at that in the video conferencing.
Sir, now he is going to react to this, sir.
What cup of coffee? Peter, calm down, wait.
He's meeting my friend.
Call your super super now. Huh?
Sir, I do really like. I
He's
look up
pouring
to
hot
some
coffee on my
inequalities,
tea.
sir. But if you do this, then
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
sir, I really look up to some of your qualities, sir. But if you do this, it's like I'm starting to lose respect on you, sir. If you keep doing this,
Come on.
then
You're also one among the kind now. You've turned your face now. Okay, fine.
Sir, don't listen to her, sir. You
Sorry?
are doing exactly what's right.
So, Nitin, Mike, adjust the mic and speak because we are not hearing you.
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Where are you going after the US friends come? What are all the kinds of arrangements you want to make? And there is a goodwill over here. Mr. Mohan's mansion has got a lot of protocols, and all those protocols are breached already by some buffaloes and monkeys who have breached into this building,
Oh, you
sitting
feel
very
the
next to
village
me.
Peter, mind your words.
Huh?
Yes.
Buffaloes,
Peter.
buildings,
Servant.
elephants. Here giraffe is.
Now let me talk with you afterwards. Wait.
Yes, sir. Go on.
Peter, yes, but first, so respect to them.
Point.
That's the point.
These
You're
boomers
a
are always
servant.
like
Okay,
this.
not just point, you're a servant.
but at the same time, you need to answer those, sir.
Boomer.
Okay.
Sorry, can you continue?
Come from the boomer.
Okay, Kiran, thank you. So, Mr. Peter, for your question's answer is that till now what we have planned, and we have just informed you what instruction to be done. Other instructions will be said to you only when we plan the next steps.
Okay.
So till that you have to wait for it.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, as much as you should pay respect to them, they should also pay respect to you. So this is just like an announcement. And if it's something that's important, sir, then it will reach you automatically, sir. So if you keep asking what's going to happen, what should I do, then you should wait.
Will you be able to tolerate, if you are an ex-service woman, and will you be able to tolerate the humiliation it's caused to you towards somebody who has really fought for the nation and worked for the nation for almost about 15 years?
What are you doing? Cleaning the restroom for the nation? Not even showing a piece of respect to
Finish,
us.
finish. He will get more angry and he will shout at you.
What he will do?
There are some
Peter,
companies,
Peter,
anxiety
Peter,
problem.
What do you mean, man? Sorry, bolo. Fine, I'm leaving. Go to hell, everybody. Go to hell, everybody.
Leave her.
You're talking about questions.
Sir, every,
You're always creating the situation where I have
Yes, Purna, what is it?
sir, everyone was speaking to you in a calm basis before you came and started saying
Calm
good
way.
stuff, sir.
Calm way.
If you had...
That idiot is speaking what I was doing in the military camp.
Yeah, that was correct only, no. That's the thing, correct. Cleaning that only, no. Cleaning that, cleaning.
Very well. Key. No.
1 second, sorry for that.
It's okay. So fine, as you say, I would leave.
Goodbye.
Happy now?
No, let me
Goodbye,
talk.
Happy
No,
now?
Have a cup of coffee.
I know. Thank you. Sit down. Thank you. Happy now?
Wait. All this happening. Finish. Sit down.
Your security, see, strangers are not coming
Calm
inside.
down.
It's a mouse.
Go out.
Small one.
Well, relax and then I'll call you back.
See, Catherine, you're proud of our manners, right?
Wait. I have got 2 cups of coffee. Then I'll say, I need. What am I going to say? Peter.
I won't leave for 2 weeks.
Mr. Peter.
How
Thank
about
you.
it? Give
Mr. Peter.
this.
Yes, madam.
2 months.
You better go out. If you stay here,
Go. Go.
Don't sit.
You got burned. Boy, man, you got burned.
Sit down.
Mr. Peter. Mr. Peter, stay.
No.
Stay here.
I have to see your dog stay.
Wrong.
Stand up, roll.
He will do everything because he was cleaning the stone only, no. He will do everything.
Peter, I am.
Sir, situation, sir. If you came in and acted nice with everyone, none of this would have happened, sir. But you came in and you started talking in a rude way.
Such an
That's why all this happened.
Here's the thing. First of all, before he was here, they were already. He was just muse for them. They just wanted to make fun of him because he's like that. I mean, isn't that their fault that they started it? He's just protecting himself, right? I mean, he's an ex-serviceman and he's way older than them. And so, shouldn't you be giving respect to him, though?
Useless fellow.
Thank you, Mr. Nitin. I'm so happy that you're
Okay,
speaking. Very
Mr.
appreciated.
Nitin, respect us and we are not studying 8th standard here, okay? We are all matured individuals.
But then at the end of the day, I'll have to obey what my boss says. Catherine here is my
Oh, okay,
boss.
okay.
Yes.
What?
Please,
See,
I
respect.
I will keep Nitin Murugan in my heart, and I will keep all you people out of the
Oh,
team.
yeah.
Now, he has a
I'll put you
girlfriend.
in the test.
He already has a person to keep him in his heart,
I
okay?
will keep you in the test, man.
Now you tell me. You said you are my boss,
Get out.
and you keep reminding me.
Wapas ja.
Please get up. I need to have some conversation for 5 more minutes. After that, I will call you and I have some instructions to be said. So after 5 minutes, these people will be out for eating their lunch. So within that, you come in and
So you're
Already
not,
lunchtime.
so you're not approving. So you're not approving my deal.
you better go outside now.
For what
I
purpose?
will call you back.
Useless.
Take some cold bath and cool down.
I'll take
That's
some
all I
things.
can do.
I'll take some things and leave.
For what purpose leave a useless leave? Useless purpose.
You're proud of our manners, right? We are still calm, you know.
Yeah. So last year, there may be like last year was which two.
He's not going to take up for 5 minutes. He's just a sleeping pill.
Not. DJ, come on. Alaja.
Oh, good. Yeah, doctor. He is doctor. He will do this by them.
So basically, I'm a veterinarian.
Yeah, he's not.
BJ is very
Both thing you are
superior.
supplying all this.
No. For your hotel, how will I do that?
Okay. Initiate, please initiate the conversation. Come on.
There was a situation where you were like that, but now we
Yeah,
are all,
manners.
now we are all changed. But still you are having some attitude.
What? Attitude? Let's move on here.
Everyone calm down.
Sorry. You mean like
Mitra, Apapo, give scope for them also to speak.
yes, Purna, you were about to say something.
Yeah, correct.
I was saying they should listen to you. Stop screaming before you
You're
say
not
it.
going to understand what he says if you're speaking.
Respect.
Yeah, Nitin, go.
Repeat it, down.
Sir, they're not letting her speak at all. First, let her speak, and then you guys can say whatever you want after that.
Who bought him? He's whose friend?
Sarah.
I will kick you out of the Zoom call, okay?
Mr. Nagula.
Who's? Oh, me. Yeah, what?
Yeah, please respect her. She's praying for your good. Please respect her. Don't scream at her.
Peter, sit
What's
down.
that?
You go, man.
Wait. This is what I said. You are shouting at him, right?
Oh, what is
it? Irresponsible. No. Come on,
You're supporting him, not us.
Yeah, he's not respecting us.
So he's bleeding us, you're not.
Yes, he's disrespecting you. Okay, I
He is assaulting us.
agree
At
upon
least
that.
them.
I agree upon that. Okay, let us leave this matter and you be however you want. And I'm not
My
going to
main
say.
man, DJ.
Yeah, yes, Opla.
I'm not going to say anything. Okay, be however you want. At night, both Bhima and Sahana are not going to be here. They are having some important problems in their own state. So we are the one who are going to be receiving them, the people from US. So at least night we will have more enjoyment. Now you go, take your lunch and I
Which
have.
airport?
Sorry?
Which airport? Huh?
Coimbatore at Delhi International Airport. Yeah, in Delhi, right?
Oh.
That is true. Now only you are realizing. What a level. Go.
Yeah, go
points are reporting, as you mentioned, the big Land Rover is ready. I'm driving it, and all these pieces of
Big
trash.
Rolls Royce is
These
ready,
are the
right?
precious.
Big Rolls Royce.
Our Rolls Royce is ready, bro.
Wait.
Land Rover.
What? Krishna, please take a seat. Now go. I have to speak something to Peter.
Oh, we need to. Okay, come.
No,
Let's
no,
go.
no,
Let's
no,
go.
no,
Let's
no,
go.
no, no, it's about 2:30 afternoon. Go take your lunch.
I'm
That's
just-
Now we'll go to honest.
I'm just, everybody, chill. I'm just here to do my duty. Okay? I'm just complying with my boss.
Take the coffee cup.
Please shut up. You don't have my boss.
This is the bottle you use. Is
Ma'am.
the best.
He's asking for some coffee. Coffee.
Take it.
You want some coffee? Come on.
Take the coffee. What?
Come on.
You will drink coffee.
You do something and ma'am,
We do something. That's it.
It's a leftover coffee. And leftover coffee.
Leftover
is
coffee.
for the
GK,
sons
come.
And pigs, okay?
Peter. Oh, we don't have the next. No. They're all
All I
our
need
guests.
to do when he was pouring
They're all our
coffee
guests.
several times on my face.
They're all our guests. Krishna, stop it.
next you pour water bottle.
This is the kind of friendship you are developing with these people and
No.
This is the kind of servant you keep in your
Yes,
office.
Dinesh,
Hey, who are you?
wait.
The father.
What are
They're
you
asking him what kind of friendship and
more than a
assistance.
father.
How does your father?
I'm a guardian as well. Besides being a servant, I'm a guardian as well.
Really?
Her father is living in some other country.
And
And you,
teach him manners.
okay, please. Now whoever from the online form would like to speak, you give your thoughts in character. Come on.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, go.
Okay. So if we keep fighting like this, we're not going to get anything done. You have to sit and you have to discuss properly. If you're going to yell over other people, then what's the point of calling you all here?
It's not the problem with the friends of Catherine even. It's a problem
With you.
with the friends of Catherine. Vinesh John has brought two mongrels
What? What is my name?
and more. And a person who doesn't even know the meaning of the word mongrel. Mongrel is the meaning, that's the name, you idiot. You don't have to begin with.
What is my name? Tell me what is.
Vinesh John has brought two mongrels. He is a mongrel himself and he has brought two mongrels.
Say, come because you
Yes,
manners.
yes, yes.
Be proud.
I respect you.
Not
I
me.
respect you.
Not me. You didn't teach me anything.
Purna, Nitin Murugan, Ritvika, all you people are in the video conference and you are several miles away. And if you are coming to this conference, only you will know the heat. You understand that? And these people are literally humiliating me.
Put
Even
the
the
AC.
girls.
Yeah, it's very hard.
Put the AC man.
Yeah, put the AC.
Delhi heat, no. The sun-
Sir, I am not supporting them, but I am supporting you, sir.
Yeah,
I
because
understand.
You're right.
What they're doing is injustice, sir.
But this kind of numbers game, only you are supporting and while the other people, including my superior Catherine, is also following
Why are you
it.
misunderstanding everything? Yes.
Only one person, Nitin Murugan,
Yeah,
is
what
standing
are
by
you
my side.
misunderstanding? How can we think?
Sir, I know myself as much as my sister, sir. I know that she's not going to do anything like that, sir. She's not supporting anyone and she's
Well,
just
you're
trying
supporting your
to
friends.
come up
What
with peace
is
and
the
order.
reason?
Okay. If you are allowed and if I am allowed to speak, I got an invitation received in the name of Catherine. Catherine has to speak in a very big international conference in 3 days. She has to address the MBA graduates drawn from all over the country. And the seminar is going to be a very big seminar that's going to be covered by the international media. And she has been invited by the government and her friends. This stupid Vinesh John's name is not on the list.
I am the government's
He is
friend.
the sponsor. What you are thinking?
I am the government's friend.
Mr. Peter.
Wait. I'm saying, that's what I'm coming to say for the past 2.5
What
hours.
we can use the weapons.
Look at that.
Please calm down.
Ask them to shut up.
Use the weapons.
It's an important invitation.
Then
You
don't call him.
respect me.
You said in 3
You
days.
dumb real fellow, if you go and stand in front of the MBA graduates,
I'm the sponsors, okay?
Let him.
you, Nitin Murugan, Catherine's friends, and the people who are coming from the US, they are all going to stand in front of the international conference and you are going to address 600 MBA graduates. And you know the title is Value System and Good Manners, my food.
You are not a good mannered person.
You people are going to speak good manners and the seminar title was making me laugh and I was rolling on the floor by laughing looking into the title of
Then
the
check the
seminar.
floor.
With these people you are going to address 600 MBA graduates.
Let it go. Calm down.
Such a boomer. You are even using the phrases used in World War II.
Boomer.
Yeah, I was asleep for a long time. Happy? You understand?
Yes, you are what? Who is your Captain America?
No, Captain India.
Captain, what?
What right do you have? It's just because you are a friend of Vinesh John, what right do you have? Can't you think with some sense?
You
know,
have
you are Catherine's friend.
Yes.
She is Catherine's friend.
Yes.
Apart
Captain
from
is my friend.
apart from you two, what business these rascals are?
I am an
This
introvert.
as rascal.
You are a rascal.
When that person is supposed to
Calm
be the
down.
naive person is, then you won't have find
Don't
problem.
speak about him.
Wait,
You don't know.
What you do? What you do?
This is not being my friends.
This is too much.
Wait, sir. This one, for what only we are
Sorry, come on.
Are you making an arrangement for the international seminar that you are going to speak on? 2 days, just 2
It's
days.
your job.
Just 2
I
days.
have
My job? My job?
Yeah, his job is to clean.
Catherine,
Oh,
you want to give a festival for Peter Robinson for a bad manner.
Hypothetically speaking, if there are some terrorists who would come and captivate you in that international conference, the first person who would safeguard you will be me. You understand?
Yes, but you are
And you people are highly respected
We
people.
have our own guards, okay?
You are going to be the prime target, you idiot. You are a hotel chain owner and you are going to be the prime
We
target.
have
I pray
guards.
God that the terrorists come and kick your rear.
What? Only terrorist? You're praying to God? Until you are calling for terrorist? He is ISIS everyone.
Peace.
He is even showing his symbol.
This is meant for peace. I used two
I
fingers.
am not a headman. Wait.
What is
At least.
Sir, what is the GK? What is that?
Totally different.
Okay.
Who's totally different?
Water.
Please
You all
excuse us.
deserve equal respect, so please stop yelling. I don't know how much more times I'm going to say this.
Purna, Nitin Murugan, Ritvika, Varuna, please excuse us. I'll have to carry all these people to the airport for picking up. It's time.
You're not picking
You're
him
carrying
up.
with us.
Okay, you don't want to carry.
I
You have
am
your
sorry.
own car.
You are carrying with your hand.
What I have my own dress, we have my
It's
own
not
car.
safe. I'm just following my orders.
We will
Okay.
take care.
You are carrying with your
I am
hands.
not safe
I
when
am
I'm
taking
going
The only thing that's not safe is having a senior citizen like you driving.
Yes,
I'm not going to drive.
I have doubt, but you are carrying with your hands.
Catherine has appointed a new driver and I'm going to just accompany the
We
person.
will have our own
Last time
driver
when
car.
I took all the charges, you accepted all
Mr.
the
Peter.
Yes, Madam Ritvika. We are on into the test.
So because of your rude words, everyone is fighting on you. Please stop speaking rude words.
Madam Ritvika, if you keep your eyes closed and think, you will understand that I have always been doing something justiceful here. The only thing is, I'm just trying to obey my orders. And when people try to insult me and humiliate me, I was reacting. That's it. If they stop insulting me, I will stop reacting.
I'm not only inciting us, man.
Look at that. This piece of swine.
These are.
See what he's
Mr.
doing.
Krishna, stop it.
Yeah.
What? How can you tell my
Now
body?
You shut up. You don't even belong here. You understand that?
Somebody will
Even
come
Dinesh
over
John is
and
keeping
keep
his
it
mouth
shut.
shut.
Then we will go, Catherine. Let's move.
Very
Don't let us go.
Let's go, Catherine.
Catherine, my bad.
Bye, Catherine.
Finish.
Sorry, Catherine.
Let us go.
Exactly. Finally, someone with class.
Come on.
Hey, come and take your seat.
What? Hey!
Okay. No, he will not take his seat. I will take his seat. What will do? I will take his seat. He will take his seat. He will take his seat. Go.
Because course I heard of serving almost.
Yes, thank you, Master. Sit down.
Praise. Now, introduction of the people who are coming from the US. So here, the Indian characters will be remaining silent and static. So US people are going to be inducted. So it's like
Receiving sequence is called.
receiving sequence. That means Indians வந்து US people receive பண்றீங்க. So
Even the serious people.
யார் யார் US people? யார் யார் US people? One minute. யார் name என்ன? Anthony,
Charles.
Charles,
Andrews.
Andrews. Every government 18 name. Liana. Any other இருக்கு? Okay. சரி, அது ஒரு threat இருக்கு. லியானா வந்து வினேஷ் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் போகும்போது டியானா வந்துட்டு let us go அப்படின்னு சொன்னது வினேஷ் ஜான் கேட்கலாம். இப்போ வந்துட்டு there is a little bit of a tiny argument between Diana, Vinesh John and his friend. Okay.
அதுக்கப்புறம் நானும் சொல்லிட்டு வெளியே போறேன்.
அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க ரெண்டு வெளியே போயிருக்கீங்க. யூஎஸ் பேட்ச் யூஎஸ்
Sir,
yeah.
while receiving.
We are not staying out of
Sorry,
the
sir?
Any clarifications? Immediately you clear it up. Yes, Kiran.
Yes, so we just go to the airport, sir, and like an introduction basically, like we receive them and we kind of introduce each other.
Correct. So I will be sitting in the chair. It's like we are all going in a wagon, and it is the inside the wagon. Everybody is inside the wagon. Peter Robinson is here, and you are also coming along with us. You are connected virtually always, and the wagon has got a plasma TV, and you are connected over there. We are all going together to the US airport. That's the next sequence. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In this sequence,
Sequence.
US sequence.
And the water bottle is clear.
Philip, Upen, Philippine, you're a big actor.
Okay.
US, you're a big actor. Anthony director and producer.
Okay. This is the big wagon that my boss Catherine has arranged. The conference, the live Skype conference people. Are you connected? Do you have any network issues? Shall I ask the driver to start the vehicle? We are fast approaching to the airport.
Yes, you may start.
Yes, sir. No network connection.
Yes, sir.
No problem, Peter. Let's start.
And you know how you have no idea how comforting it is when you are saying something appreciable for something that I have done. Thank you so much, Mr. Mohan.
You have done?
All our servants have done. Just 1 hour.
Mohan Raj's PRP.
1 hour, how can I expect
I am
time?
getting the unit of servants here in Mohan Raj's facility.
Bro, where's our car? We cannot sit here.
They wouldn't let us use our Rolls Royce.
1 hour.
The vehicle is starting, so
It's not the
the vehicle has got a little bit of a starting problem.
Oh,
I am confused, and it is going to make a little rattling. And please,
Rattling?
only during the start.
So,
The battery has got a problem. It is not. It's a self-start vehicle. So
what is this?
It has to be.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Just wait for some time.
You need not apologize for every single reason. You understand that?
So when we, you tell us exactly when the car is going to start.
Driver, start the vehicle, please. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Calm down.
What is this?
Now also the vehicle didn't
The
start.
sound of a tractor.
Hey, tell him to
Start the
it.
vehicle. Driver, Ramesh, start the vehicle. It's time. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, this is not what the sound.
At least now it started.
We are basically unshakable. You understand that? Why
You are all wearing seatbelts. Here we don't have.
Yeah,
This is
we-
see what? How can I
the
sit?
person did not fit their seatbelt when we gave the vehicle for the service.
You want you come here. I'll go there.
How
No,
will we
no,
come
no.
when we are walking? See,
As a servant, your comfort is important for me. Okay, so I give primary protection first to you, and basically being girls, I have to
Discrimination.
Sir,
protect
be a
you.
second.
Discrimination.
No, taking care of the things.
I need to
You are
talk to you.
literally going to fall down. You are going to break the floor of
Hey,
this vehicle.
don't do
Vehicle-
one.
Don't go and snake it.
Ramesh, start the goddamn car. 3, 2, 1, go.
What the meaning?
Ramesh, go man.
So start moving. Can't you realize it is starting to
Then
move?
let's go. I'm not ready.
Starting to move. We are not going to.
Want to use this? Go down.
Vinesh Jan, you still have the throw up problem.
Yeah, I cannot sit here.
Hotel chain water, right?
Using the same movement again and again.
Wait. How many just next to our
Take it and throw it away.
Nitin Murugan, Ritvika, Miruna, Purna, what kind of manners is this? He's throwing in front of the girls over here.
And then go put him in the traffic so he can throw up in there.
But that vehicle does not have such provision. Okay, right. So,
What
anyways,
intelligence you have?
What intelligence do you have, sir? I've told at least 30 times don't fight and don't argue.
I am the internet company owner.
I don't care. I do not care.
Yes, what? The 90 for IQ.
I give it right now.
would you like to have a stop over here to have a cup of coffee or something?
And again, switch off.
Sure. Take them for coffee and put this
Coffee?
one
What
that
is coffee?
white chair
Come and
in the
visit.
trash can so you can go over
Man,
there.
it's already getting late, man.
Command received, Mr. Nitin
You
Murugan.
start walking, you will go there by 2 hours.
Ramesh, stop the car.
Stop the car.
Near the bakery. There is a very good hotel. It's also a bakery.
Hotel. Oh my God, I cannot come.
Wait. Name starts with Beanish John. Group of hotels.
BJ Food and Comfort Enterprises.
Then
Okay.
let's go.
That's your hotel
Okay,
only.
then it's fine. Yeah.
God's curse, that's your hotel.
Yeah, we'll go.
Wait. Stop.
Parking extra GST, bro.
These two are respected officers. So take care of them.
You've been pouring quite a number of coffee into my
Yes,
face.
of course.
I'm going to get the coffee and that's from his hotel. So if you're humiliating me, the name is going
I
to...
will do it. What you will do it?
Wait, he will come and he will get discount for you. Go.
Yeah, yeah,
Why
come.
I like coffee, sir? Coffee,
Please come,
please.
please come. Just sit. Come.
We only have 20 minutes time
That's what I'm
and
saying.
If he goes, it will happen like that.
he's already throwing up.
Come with me. Come with me.
You
Sorry.
The
Please
salary
don't
is
understand.
70.
You're not going to call me like come with me, you understand that?
No, sir, you
Oh,
want to
then
go with us?
how to call? I'm not doing
Peter,
anything.
let me go with you. You sit down.
Hey, Zoda. Secrets, Zoda. The secrets will come.
Peter, sit down. I will go with him.
Coffee program cancelled. Come and put your beer and back to the chair.
Please come here. I am bodyguard for you. No one will enter.
Ramesh, start the car.
Hey, this time.
3, 2, 1, go. We are moving. Don't you give that look to me.
No one's going to be giving any looks to you.
You are a terrifying guy.
See next time.
Okay, online people, it's a flow for you, you can speak. Anybody in character? Anybody wants to say something in character? Come on, quick.
Okay, sir. So why are these buffoons coming anyway?
That's because of Catherine.
Who?
Your own friend Catherine. That's because of...
Okay. There's 5 boys, and 3 of them are complete buffoons. There's
Well-
2 people in the
No,
back.
stop. You are.
Those
You
two
shut
I
up, I'm
really
speaking to you.
respect. I'm giving much respect to them. So,
Exactly.
but they're not talking. Why is that?
Exactly, Mr. Nitin Murugan. Put the blame on Catherine and Mohan here. Those people have all the ones. 2 days back when she was planning this entire trip of these people coming over here, she said the people who came here 1.5 years back are making their way back. And I was prepared mentally, and on a logistics basis I was prepared. But who knew that they will bring bunch of monkeys and idiots?
No.
Catherine, what is it? Ramesh, stop the car.
My sister has a reason for everything, sir. Don't blame her.
What? No, wait, everyone.
I studied in Tamil medium. My mother tongue is Tamil. So
You
my
are from
English
Tamil
is...
Nadu?
Yeah, I'm from
Then why are you speaking English?
I'm from Balkan.
I'm from Coimbatore district.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Robinson.
How man? Peter.
How that?
Peter, sir, do you need these are also monkeys?
We just had friendship, right?
Yeah, principal.
Then
What? Bro.
You know what? Your life is not going to prosper as long as you have that syntax tag along with you. You understand that? Get rid of
Richard, this is not that.
the syntax tag in all show.
Sir, now I can say that at least there's like, that one person in the middle, I can say he's like 10% respectable now.
Thank you, Nitin Murugan. Thank you.
Oh, this guy.
I only wish that
Now,
you
these two will never stop talking until I come and tape their mouths shut. So I cannot do anything.
Mr. Nitin Murugan, when are you coming to India? And I'm eagerly waiting to what will you say? Receive you.
Yeah, I did come. I'm in the airport right now, waiting for you.
Right.
My security will not enter
See,
India.
they're already in the airport.
The
Go.
vehicle has already come in. Take off the curtain and see. This is the airport that we have walked in.
Oh, this is the vehicle.
Hey, we can get off the vehicle.
No, nobody.
Oh shit.
The instruction is I will get
Wait.
back with you.
Wait.
The instruction is I will go and get all those US friends of Catherine.
No, I will also come. These people are going
Take him, bodyguard. You will stay here. Okay, stay
sit
here.
down, stay,
Freeze.
rest.
All the US segment people go out along with Mitra and then come in.
So we have to act like street amazing.
Yes, now, this is starting Romalika.
So the spin-off roles are disappearing.
Yes, sir.
நீ வந்து
Hospital. Airport security.
இல்ல உனக்கு வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சர்வேலன்ஸ் வந்ததுனால ஒரு கம்பெனி சிக்கன் கம்பெனி சர்வீஸ் பண்ணி போறேன் இது வந்து இன்டர்நெட் கம்பெனில முக்கியமான வேலைனால இதுவும் போயிடுச்சு Okay, so these people are going to come as the main characters. The people who have boarded from the US airport. I mean, the people who have arrived in the US airport. Ready?
Okay, sir.
Fast. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, hey, you want to go? Hey, we're going to bear with you. So we have Liana, right? Liana, Kritika Rao, Sarah, and Dinesh. Vijay. And Peter Robinson is waiting inside the wagon, and Catherine is just going to bring all those people from the airport. One second.
Sir.
Out of character. Yes, Kritika. We are still out of character. Too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are also from the US. I understand.
Yes.
Oh, mosquitoes. Okay. Right. Ready? All of ready? Right. 3, 2, back in character. 3,
Wait,
2,
sir, will it be like, we will still be like you will have to pretend that we're like actually sitting in the truck? Or like is it that now somebody else is spinning off for us?
No, you are actually in the main character of yours. Mitra, what's Nitin Murugan's character name?
Matthew, sir.
Matthews.
You are now Matthews, Nitin. You are now Matthews. And nobody is making any spin-off roles here now. All of you are in your original characters. That's how it is.
Okay, sir, but then why are only these four sitting here? What happened to the other guys?
These are Indian friends of Catherine, and they are waiting in the vehicle along with Peter Robinson. Catherine has gone to the airport to pick them, and it is understandable that you are also coming along with Catherine. Okay, virtually you are also just like the people who are walking inside.
Okay.
சரி வாங்க டைம் ஆச்சு. ரெடி 3, 2. கொஞ்சம் ஒரு சின்ன டிஸ்கஷன் எங்களுக்குள்ள இருக்கு. நான் அப்படி ஸ்னாப் பண்ணனும் விடுவாங்க. 3, 2, 1 go.
What is this? See, all the night spoiled.
I know it is really humiliating for a 5-star hotel owner like you, but please understand this is the kind of logistics that Mohan has provided.
Mohan has provided me. I will go in my own car.
Mohan,
Just because you are owner of 5-star.
No, you cannot sit here.
Doesn't mean you are not a human. Everybody here are human.
See, all the night coming, and how can I sit here?
they are getting accommodated. They are also in the same wagon, and they don't have any complaints. And this is the way you run your company.
What is this?
So before you came to a 5-star hotel, you just be like this, a common person.
Yeah.
From
Yeah.
a common person only, you can able to come and grow up.
The subscriber you are trying to reach is currently busy. Kartika.
So this is how you run your business. Poor Catherine, she has got an acquaintance.
Yeah, poor Catherine, she has got a very piece of trash.
Don't blame him first.
First of all, try changing your attitude.
Call them, I need to go.
Somebody come and help Binesh John, because Binesh John is being torn into pieces by 3 people out here.
Yeah, I'm controlling myself. Catherine told me.
In life changes in just.
What did you say?
You can't able to face the girls.
Yeah, I will just come on. What do you want?
No, your life changes in just this snap of a finger.
Let us give a snap. Let me check. Yeah, everything is fine.
No,
I have my all
no,
transition.
things are not fine. No, things are not
Yeah,
fine.
this bolt coming, yeah.
You still blaming them.
Oh, why?
Of course, you can't change the girls.
Why I can't?
Uh,
Oh, don't shout.
Peter Robinson reporting Catherine, ma'am.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Who's that? Hey, who's that?
Mr. Philip wants to use the restroom, so he's at the airport.
அவன் தான் வேலை சொல்லி பாருங்க. ஏன் சொல்லி பண்ணீங்க? பாவம்.
Hey! No. கீழே போ ஆண்டி கிட்ட சொல்ல அவன். She will lead the way to this. அடி வாங்க, அதெல்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நீங்க வாங்க.
Come inside. We
Then
are
we
so
will start
happy to
with it.
receive you. Thank you,
They have come.
How are you?
Friends are.
Oh, these are from the US.
Hi!
How
How are you? How are you? Oh my God, okay. Hi.
Namaskar.
Hi.
You remember them?
Go in. Please adjust your seats.
Okay.
a pleasure to finally get to meet you.
Somebody from the video conferencing is really greeting you. So,
Hi, friends.
Mr. Peter Robinson, I
so
think
Mr. Charles, stop showing your attitude and listen to what they
Who's
say.
that?
Your friends.
Oh yeah, hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Okay, bye.
Janet, it is Purna, my sister.
Oh yeah, hi.
Hello. Nice to
Just
finally get
because
to
you
meet
people
you.
have come from the US, you've got two hands because your eyebrows are raised and showing a lot of attitude.
We are all jet lag, okay?
You are from India.
Who the hell is this guy anyway? Huh? Yes.
What did he say?
I asked who the hell you are. What? You got a problem with that? You snap
Yes,
and
to
you
be
hack
here
your
properly.
phone.
You have your phone. That's
Come on, this is
Nah, I'll
my
behave
phone.
like that.
My grandma's number is
Yeah,
there.
Guys, my name is Matthew. Can you please sit down?
Mr. Matthew, was the journey fine? Are you also suffering from jet lag, sir?
No, sir. I'm actually much better. I feel good.
Okay. Miss Purna, welcome back. You are my boss's sister. I am so happy to welcome you back, Miss Purna.
Yes, sir. It's nice to see you too.
So you have been connected with the video conferencing while you were coming in the aeroplane. And how was it possible? In the flight, people are not supposed to use telecommunicating devices. And how were you connected when I was struggling with these?
Yeah, there were two.
But
Where are they now?
they've gone back. They've gone back. That guy Navalan, who was a chicken. He is a chicken and he is a chicken company owner. And there was a raid and he had to go back. Ganesh John's best friend. And there was another Syntex tank that was orange in color. And that Syntex tank was running an internet connection company. And
You
there
are
was-
disrespecting Indians before that.
and disrespecting inhuman in front of
What
them.
kind of Indian?
So nice to receive with Ritvika, Mirna and everybody. I mean, please understand this wagon is not going to be very comfortable. Just 15 minutes, we will reach Mohan's mansion.
Please.
Ramesh, start the car please. 3, 2, 1,
Sorry.
go.
What the hell was that?
Welcome to India. Welcome to India.
Yeah, this is the way you welcome us.
No, so this is a typical Indian welcome. Huh?
Yes.
Good.
Come to US.
Please understand that your best friend Catherine has been living in this country. Where did you get these friends from?
What
Look at Liana here.
Yeah,
Look
what
at
a
Titina and
hell,
Sara.
Look at me here. Indian.
Yeah, you got a buffoon, man.
What? Nice job.
Catherine.
Okay,
What can you do, buddy?
we missed Mr. Philip.
Yes, he's coming back. Not for some eating process. This is luggage, so he has went back.
Okay, I'll better close the windows of this
That's
room.
nice, man.
Mosquitoes, sir.
Yeah.
Mr. Peter,
Mr. Peter? Yeah, yes,
Yo, Philip, what's up?
yes, Mr. Matthews. Peter Robinson reporting
I
Matthews.
need an espresso on the way.
Sorry?
An espresso? Are you sure they have that here?
Nah, I don't think they have those things, you know.
No, we have it. We will stop in a hotel.
See, this boomer doesn't know what espresso is. Yeah, Philip, come on.
It's
What is-
Alice.
What do you mean extra?
It's
Coffee, like
Yeah.
cappuccino, latte, like.
Yeah.
We have only cappuccino and latte available, not
latte.
Yeah,
I want
espresso. We don't have espresso. Sorry, Mr. Matthews. By the way,
yeah, I want an cappuccino one. I'll just
I'll get it. I'll get that in a
I
flash.
want a pig roll.
A pig itself will not be. So, welcome, Mr. Philip. So, thank you so much for see the class. I mean, the way he uses it.
He's a silent killer.
You do know that he's an actor, right? See, wait till he.
Catherine, I have to put a call to your dad.
Why? But why?
Because you have got wrong friendship and people who are not respected.
No.
US president is my friend. I will have that word and he will not call me a father. What a kind of Indian?
What a kind of you.
Hey, don't fight, okay?
Please don't raise your voice. Calm down.
Okay, freeze. Now, people have come to Prabhu's mansion, that is Mohan's mansion. And Purna is announcing, Purna is checking to Catherine, checking with Catherine if everybody is ready to attend that conference. So we have Philip, we have Charles, we have Andrew, we have Vinesh,
Anthony, sir.
Anthony, Sarah, Kritika, Liana, and Catherine, Peter Robinson. And Matthew there, which is Nitin Murugan, Purna, which is Kiran, and Ritvika, what's your character's name?
Preeti, sir.
Preeti. Mirna, what is your character's name?
Anjana, sir.
Anjana. Mridubhashi, what's your character's name?
Anu, sir.
Right, so who's next? Ritanitish, what's your character's name? He is? Okay, right, so we are having that sequence where Purna is asking okay, so again, breach of value system and absence of good manner. What happens here is Purna and Matthew are trying to give some ideas as to how to address in the national conference. And all of a sudden, Philip here comes and says that I can speak to the MBA graduates, it's very easy because I used to speak in the universities in the US. And Charles also supports Philip, saying that he can also do that because he has spoken in the University of Harvard. So Catherine immediately appreciates the fact that Charles is associated in the University of Harvard, where there is a little bit of a jealous in Dinesh John, where he is asking Catherine, why did you clap? Catherine said, I was very happy that my friend is associated with the University of Harvard. And Dinesh John boasts, stating that you have a friend who is owner of 5-star hotel. That Liana already had a little bit of a tug of war back in the wagon along with Dinesh John. So Liana again tries to teach some lesson to Dinesh John. And then Andrew comes. In the sequence of Karatani guys. Yeah. And then Andrew comes. What's your occupation? So Andrew, who is the owner of Gentleman and Ladies Enterprises, which is a hacking company. So he
Sir,
time for you.
sorry to interrupt, sir. Yes, sir, but last thing, sir, I just wanted to say, how about, sir, because Ritin Nitish hasn't even talked this whole time, how about, can he switch off to my role?
Ritan will not speak as Ritan itself, Nitin Murugan. That's the problem. So then how can I expect him to speak with some other characters? Ritan has not answered my question and he's still there. And at the end, exactly by 6:45, he will say there was a connection issue. So your role is going to be there, and tomorrow, fresh, we will use you in a very prominent way once you come back for the class tomorrow. And tomorrow, Reshwar is also going to be here. So Preston, Reshwar, and Brinda is also going to be there. So you will be playing the main role tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'll send the video.
Bye, everyone.
Nitin, I'll send the video to you. Make sure you watch it.
Okay, sir. I'll try to fit it into my schedule.
Yeah, right. Good. Thank you.
Okay. Bye, sir. Bye.
And have a good day.
So do you get the sequence of the
Very sorry for interrupting, sir. I only have 5 minutes left, sir.
Then you start off, okay? So you start off about talking about national conference, and then I will give intermediate interim narration so that people can fall into the track. Now, sort of narrations get
Okay.
Sir, I can also appreciate Mr. Charles.
இங்க எல்லாருமே நல்லவங்க தானா?
No, sir.
அதாவது அந்த ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது கொஞ்சம் அந்த அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ரிக்ஷன் இருந்தது. பட் இப்போ என்னன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குட் மேன் என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? இங்கே நம்ம இந்த சீக்வன்ஸ்ல டீச் பண்ற குட் மேன் என்னன்னு கேட்டா அடுத்தவருடைய வளர்ச்சியை பார்த்து we should not be jealous and envious. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So that one. So quickly before Kiran leaves, I am going to say, I think you have given the proper instruction to him to speak. நீ வந்து இதையே ஃபாலோ பண்ணு. எப்போதான் பேசணும்னா யார் பக்கத்தில் இப்போ நல்லவங்க இருந்தாலும் நல்லவங்கள்ட்ட கேட்கும், வருஷம் அப்படி கேட்கும். யார் பக்கத்தில் இருக்காங்க they will try to guide you. பேசணும். பேசாமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. I don't want to waste your time. The kind of money that your dad is paying as a fees, I am really responsible for that. You have to make the Krishnatana வந்து நல்ல இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் காமிச்சிருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி நீ
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what role I play here, sir?
Coming to you. இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருந்து கேளுங்க தயவு செய்து. Okay, so the first one, Purna is going to, okay, so it's a conference room. Prabhu
Excuse me, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Hey. So he checked whether he had connection.
So, point number one, Mohan, also known as Prabhu Aditya, is first of all welcoming the Indian people, Indian friends and US friends of Catherine over here. So, welcome to my mansion, he says. Where Vinesh John again complains that the mansion is not good enough to accommodate his luxury. Because basically Vinesh John being an owner of a 5-star hotel and he's a luxurious man, so he says that. So, அதை வந்து மோகன் வந்து டேக் இட் ஈஸிங்கிற மாதிரி எடுத்துட்டு பரவாயில்ல நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்னு மோகன் says it on a very cordial way. Point number 2, before Kiran leaves, very quickly, Kiran, who is playing the role Purna, she asks her sister, is she ready for the kind of national conference they are going to make? And she is super excited about it, and she has got some ideas. அப்படின்னு பூர்ணா சொல்றாங்க. பூர்ணா சொல்லும்போது தான் Philip will say, wait. So, US, conference for whom? MBA graduates in the Peter Robinson சொன்னானே, I can do that. எனக்கு அது ரொம்ப ஈஸி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Philip will say. Because I have been doing that. நான் அதை வந்து யூஎஸ்ல பல வருஷங்களா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி Philip says. And Charles also joins. Yeah, even for Harvard I used to give அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்ன உடனே இங்க இவங்க 4 ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் the girls friends அவங்க எல்லாரும் கைதட்டுறாங்க. Especially Catherine வந்து I'm so proud of you Charles னு சொன்னோடனே Vinesh John gets stomach burning sensation. And he immediately asks, எதுக்கு கிளாப் பண்ணி ஆஸ்திரேலியா சொல்றாரு? எதுக்கு கிளாப் பண்ணீங்க? எல்லாரும் அவங்க யூனிட் ஸ்டைல அன்லிஷ் பண்ணுங்க. இட்ஸ் யுவர் லிபர்ட்டி. எதுக்கு கிளாப் பண்ணீங்கன்னு கேட்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மித்ரா கிளாப். மித்ரா என்ன சொல்றா அப்படி? கேத்ரின் என்ன சொல்றா அப்படி? நீ இப்ப ரொம்ப கோவப்படுற. என்னது எதுக்கு நீ கிளாப் பண்ற? ஹார்வர்ட் யூனிவர்சிட்டி கூட தான் இருக்கு. நான் இங்க ரன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க ஒரு கம்பெனி அதெல்லாம் உனக்கு தெரியல. டேய் உண்மையிலே எனக்கு மரியாதை இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது இவன் என்ன சொல்றான்? ஆண்ட்ரூஸ் என்ன சொல்றான்? ஒரு காலேஜ்ல வேலை செய்யற ஒருத்தர் இல்ல ஒரு கம்பெனியை நடத்துறது தான் இங்க பெரியார் அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். இது சொல்லும்போது கேவட்டிக்கா அவங்களுக்குள்ள ஒரு பேச்சுவார்த்தை. So, இந்த இடத்துல வந்து நீ என்ன ஆக்குபேஷன்?
So that and the producer.
Okay, so
Phillips and he work very closely.
Yes, sir.
அப்ப வந்து கிருஷ்ணன் அவருடைய ரோல்ல போய் என்ன சொல்றான்னா என்னதான் இருந்தாலும் ஓனரா இருக்கிறது முக்கியம் இல்ல. இன்னொரு கண்ட்ரில போய் நான் வந்து ஃபிலிம்ஸ் ஷார்ட் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். அவன் வந்துட்டு இந்தியன்ல இருந்துட்டு யுஎஸ் பீப்புளுக்கு கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கான். அது பெரிய விஷயம். கொஞ்சம் ரியலிஸ்டிக்கா யோசிங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இவன் சொல்றான். So this chaos is what is happening. And after that நிறுத்தி இங்க என்ன குட் மேனர் ஆப்சென்ட் ஆயிருக்குன்னு நம்ம இங்க சொல்லும்போது இங்க வீடியோல டெக்ஸ்ட் வர மாதிரி நம்ம அப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாம். சரியா? ஏன்னா பார்க்கும்போது எஜுகேட்டட் வீடியோ மாதிரி இருக்கு. கேட்டா
நான் சார் திடீர்னு அந்த படத்தில் ஃப்ளாஷ்பேக் எல்லாம் அங்கே
முதல்ல அப்படிதான் பண்ணுவோம்.
குட் மேனர்
முதல்ல பேச ஃப்ளாஷ் ஆகிற மாதிரி தான் அந்த வீடியோ இருக்கு. Okay, so for the time concerned, Kiran, you start, you initiate, and then you will leave. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, sir. So, Catherine, this has been a dream for a long time. Are you ready for this?
What?
1 minute, sir. I will just speak.
Yeah, go.
Yes, Purna, I am ready. And I also have an idea like I am a psychologist, I will follow the same how I teach and how I counsel people. So I am going to follow the same with those MBA graduates too. Plus I have just decided some of the activities to be done so that they will also have fun at the same time they will learn more things. So do you have any ideas?
பேசு உனக்கு தப்பா இருக்கு. Once again. Okay, so this is the time when Kavin Karthik speaks. Come on.
Come on, Karthik, you can do it.
நீங்க பேசுங்க அதெல்லாம் பேசுங்க.
See, Lama.
பேசுகிறப்ப நான்
So if the Catherine என்ன சொன்னாங்க? Like conference in the US அப்படின்னு கேட்டா no, it's in India அப்படின்னு Catherine சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் I can do that. I have been doing that several times அப்படின்னு சொல்லு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீ அதை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண அப்புறம் நகல் பிக்கப் பண்ணிக்கோ. அப்புறம் போக இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் லென்த்தி ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் பேசுறதுனால பார்க்கலாம். Come on, go.
I can do that. Oh, definitely, sir. You can also take part in this, sir. Definitely.
Yeah, he hosted.
He's an American.
Yeah.
You can also do that.
He hosted the Emmys one time and that time everyone loved it. I just, if you want, basically, maybe I could. Listen, maybe I could even make an appearance or show because I spoke with Harvard, UCLA, all those things.
Oh,
So
super, sir. It's a part of
Mr. Mohan, Mr. Binesh wants to speak to you something.
Yes, Vinesh, John.
What kind of air cooler you're having in your mansion?
Today, the entire climate is very humid. We didn't understand.
Look at
it.
this
Peter
guy.
Robinson, he's changing the topic.
Complaining about smart.
Wait. Why are you getting so angry nowadays?
See, in my mansion, okay, go and see.
So what is it? Just because you have a mansion, you are entitled to it everywhere.
Wait. You're trying to make.
Waffle.
Wait. You're trying to turn the tables. So now,
Okay, then I come to the topic.
even I'm proud that my boss, Catherine's friend, is giving speech in Harvard University. Is that not a very big
Then
matter?
it's well that you
Yeah,
have.
I'm running a big
Wait.
company over here.
He is speaking only the 500 students. He is running the company with
Hey,
the
he's
fee
covering 200
1 million.
times on the
Hey,
company.
say that my 3.4 million Instagram followers. Huh? What?
Do you know
What you
that?
do?
He is seeing the 1 million customers in the
No, I don't understand. 1 million, 3.4 million. Okay. Plus that doesn't matter here. I'm talking to him. Then what is
பேசி
that?
முடிக்கட்டும்டா. அவன் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீ என்ன வாங்க
He is facing the 1 million, more than 1 million customers. He is in the hotel and he is a 5-star hotel. Owned person.
Excuse me, sir.
Let us speak.
Andrews, speaking in front of those students, we have to understand the mind of those students. And then we have to train them and then we have to adapt ourselves to their condition. And then only we have to speak. Do you think that is so easy? It is not equal to serve the food.
No, even Sarah here, Kritika Rao here and Liana here, they have got the same kind of exposure but not as big as Philip and Charles. That's what I believe, Mr. Dinesh.
Yeah, tell some Indians to speak.
Sir,
No. This is
Ah,
not.
Kiran.
I have to leave now, sir.
Right, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye tomorrow, sir. Bye, everyone. Bye. Keep sharing this room.
Bye, Kirana sir.
So doubt, sir.
Bye, Kiran.
Is there anyone here having nationality in India, sir, but teaching students in US?
எல்லாருமே இந்தியன்ஸ் தான். யூஎஸ் வந்து வந்தவங்க NRS, not as Indians, but எல்லாருமே இந்தியன்ஸ்.
Born.
Yeah, back in character now, yes.
He's saying something as still Indians to speak. So what?
Which
So
are
just
persons-
because
Yeah,
I
see, we are working, so we learned something in India. We had some proper education in India. So we are using it for India, not to other countries. Please wait, let me
It's
talk.
obvious that
I will
you're
finish
being
with that, I
jealous.
will finish. What?
It's obvious that you're being jealous. He's just your friend.
Yeah, please wait. We are Indian. We got some education in India, so we are making use in India, not in US. He's having many more knowledge here and spending it in US. He's just a trash. He's not very.
Come
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
How to say a friend
Come
is
on.
a
I
friend?
didn't do anything.
Yeah.
He's
Mr.
just being a
Dinesh.
jealous
I
guy.
am taking short films in the US.
He's not an Indian. He's not an Indian.
Mr.
Hey,
Dinesh.
how we can-
No, you can't just tell me what I am and what I am not. Okay.
Secret. He's telling his secret to terrorists.
Sit down, sit down.
Excuse me.
This
They-
is such.
They have a point to say.
So how we can say your friend has said?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You learned in India. You are making it wisely. You are teaching some students here, and he is teaching the US students.
He should be proud
He is
that.
also working over here.
Mr. Dinesh, he was also born in India.
Yeah, he should make this
I
knowledge
studied
used for
with him in college.
Indians.
Always he used to copy my test answers. The
You
idiot.
studied.
Yeah,
You both last year during the trip. You both are
Oh,
good friends. You both are good friends.
One more
Mr.
bucket.
Mr. Dinesh, nobody denies the fact that you are holding a very big restaurant chain. But I'm sorry, no offenses to your friend. When you were absent, when you were at the airport, Liana had a very big trouble. They both really spoke, and she was only trying to give some kind of advice, but she was not.
Come on. He needs to have his Red Bull. What are you thinking? Huh?
What's wrong?
see, wait. Everyone here.
He wants to
I'm
make a
working
big
for.
together.
Everyone here are working for India, except these two. So I don't have any respect on.
How we can say like that?
No.
He is telling
He's very.
about
I agree.
the
He's a,
persons who are learning from here and spending the learning from for the other people.
yeah, he
He
was.
should be proud for that.
Yeah, I agree the fact that he's a bright student in the class. He should make use of it in India. I'm just not happy with the fact that he spending there, he can make some students over here as a bright
No. I went to the US because I thought that there would be people there who appreciated my knowledge.
Okay.
Unlike you.
Yeah, you're not doing anything.
Okay. One by one.
You have no rights to insist him that you have
Thanks, Vivian. Thanks.
take all his.
Yeah, I don't have any rights, but as a friend, I'm advising you instead of launching.
No. You really.
It's not an advice. He anyhow gained a knowledge over here. He just saying us knowledge to them.
Yeah, gain knowledge over here and spending it in US.
No, I don't think you understand. We both gained the same amount of knowledge.
Yes.
We both were bachelors. The only person who had the gall enough to go and give it to other people was me, not you.
Yeah, you serve
Unlike
for
you.
India. You serve for same thing you do in India. Why are you
You
doing this?
idiot! That college is the best college there is.
No, you should do that in India. The students
Where do you
here-
expect me to do, huh?
Yeah, you have right knowledge. You should do somewhere over here.
This is just toxic nationality, okay?
You know, I'm feeling very bad now. I was very enthusiastic and I was very happy to receive them all here. But now I'm feeling very bad.
You keep doing the same. Last year you did the same.
I
Last
did not
year,
expect
last
this.
year
I
you
thought
were
it had
struggling.
changed.
It's so much troublesome that people have been educated and there is no mutual respect for the professions. There is no mutual respect for the education and gods must be crazy. The two best friends in the college who have been sharing the bench, they are fighting now.
Peter, you know the truth? They were the one who changed these people.
He's the most troublesome person.
These people like Charles, Anthony and Andrews were the one who helped me change these people. And these people are very silent, but he started to be bad as he
Yeah,
was.
just talking to
Wait,
you.
let me complete. He did not even change. I believed that he will change. But now, these US people have also started fighting. They are also getting so much angry. And they started fighting with each other.
But he got my point. That's enough.
One person got the point that
What kind of manners it is?
These US people. Got it? I just want to tell, when Mother Teresa came from
Disrespect.
When Mother Teresa came from Europe to India and started helping Indians, the Europeans didn't say this. The Indians even didn't say this.
Yeah.
For God's sake.
Ritvika, yes.
Yes. So, are we from America to shout like this and speak like this? We came to enjoy. There's a get together here. Why we have to shout like this? Please be calm.
Sir, I can say something, sir. We are teaching respect to them.
Teaching respect to us.
No, reteach it.
Sir, just explain something.
Learn, unlearn and relearn. That's what is happening over here, Mr. Dinesh.
Yeah, he will explain the point. Okay, just try to listen.
Okay.
What?
He is telling about he is learning from the India and spending that learning to the other students in the other countries.
Sir.
He is not spending the India.
If he's sharing something, he
As
already-
long as those people go to the other country and when they are coming back to our own country, they are our guests.
Sir, but they are also child, sir. Want to educate them also,
Exactly.
sir.
Exactly.
We both went there because we wanted a platform for us to learn. None of the colleges here would take me. That's the truth.
Mr. Dinesh, I'm sorry if I'm addressing your friend, but besides being your subordinate, I'm elder enough to advise your friend.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
You are actually having some prestige issues.
he's advising me.
Yes.
See,
He's not the
this is
only one.
the- see, this is the problem. My name is Peter Robinson.
Okay,
I
I will
served,
respect your age.
I served in the military and I'm working and she's paying me 25,000 per month as a salary. But you are making at least 255 crores every year with your bottle chain. And over there, Charles is making his own money. But at the same time, it doesn't necessarily mean that he's inferior to you in any way.
No, he didn't do anything to India because he learned something.
No, you idiot. The students I get, what's the word? You're making me.
Okay, calm down. See, he is
You
work.
got some aspirin tablet.
No.
Okay, one second, please. Ravi Karthik, can see you. Online team and direct team freeze. Nobody speaks. உனக்கு இதில் என்ன புரிஞ்சுது அப்படிங்கிறத ஃபஸ்ட்டு தமிழ் சொல்லணும். ஜம்முன்னு சொல்லணும். இங்கே இருக்கவங்களுக்கு கேட்கணும், ஆன்லைனில் இருக்கவங்களுக்கு கேட்கணும். சொல். இந்த ஸ்கிட் என்னது, மித்ராக்கா என்ன பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணுறா, இங்கே நவலன் என்ன, வேதவர்ஷன் என்ன, கல்பிதாக்கா தான் என்ன பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணுறாங்க, சொல்லு சொல்லு உனக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லு. ஏன்னா நீ உட்காந்துட்டு அங்கே சேரை வந்து இப்படி தட்டிட்டு இருக்க, நீ இப்படியெல்லாம் உட்காந்துட்டு நீ வந்து கிளாஸில் அட்டன் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த அப்படின்னா தென் இட்ஸ் கோயிங் டு பி a very big problem. ஸோ உங்களை நான் மாற்றி ஆகணும். ஸோ நீ முதல்ல இங்கிலீஷ் தான் தமிழில் பேசு, என்ன புரிஞ்சதுன்னு சொல்லு. ஸ்டாண்ட் ஸ்ட்ரைட், பி வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங். இப்போ ஒரு சாம்பிள் விஷன் இங்கிலீஷ் அவன் தமிழில் தான் சொல்ல போகிறான். இதில் என்ன ஸ்கிட் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது தமிழ் சொல்லு. சரி இங்கிலீஷ்.
Mithra is trying to say about the good manners what we are learning to say, sir. And he's telling about what the respect that we want to do to other people, sir.
ரைட் ரைட் சொல்லலாம். இப்போ கிருஷ்ணன் சொன்ன மாதிரி உனக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சுங்கிறத நீ சொல்லு. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த சீக்வன்ஸை கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது வீடியோவில் வராது, நான் கட் பண்ணிடுறேன். சொல்லு உட்காந்து சொல்லியா, நான் இங்கிலீஷ் சொல்லு. எந்த பயமும் இல்லை. குட் மேனர்ஸ்னா என்னப்பா? இப்போ வந்து நவலன், வேதவர்ஷன், மித்ரா, கல்பிதா இவங்க 4 பேர் இருக்கோம். ஹரியன் 5 பேர் இருக்கோம். இந்த 5 பேருடைய இந்த கேரக்டரில் நவலன் கத்துனா, வேதவர்ஷன் கத்துனா, மித்ரா வந்து கன்சோல் பண்ண அப்படி, கல்பிதா வேதவர்ஷன் கேரக்டர் திட்டினா அப்படி, ஹரியன் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணா வேதவர்ஷன். ஸோ இதில் யார் நல்ல குட் மேனர்ஸோடு நடந்துக்கிறாங்க, யார் இல் மேனர்ஸோடு நடந்துக்கிறாங்க? No reactions. Mithra, Kalpita, ஹரியன், கல்பிதாக்கா இவங்க 3 பேர் குட் மேனர் தான் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா என்ன காரணம்? ஹரியன் எப்படி குட் மேனர்னு சொல்கிறார், என்ன ரீசன்? வேதவர்ஷன் சொன்னது என்ன தப்பு? வேதவர்ஷன் ஏன் இல் மேனர்? அப்போ யார் இல் மேனர்? குட் மேனர் இருக்கு, யார் இல் மேனர்? எல்லாத்தையும் கேட்டுட்டு சொல்லி கொடுத்ததையும் மீறி பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாமல் காலை வச்சு சேரை தட்டிட்டு இருக்கிற நீ தான் இல் மேனர். ஓகே, அப்போ நீ என்ன செய்ய? அவ்வளோ தூரம் அவன் சொல்லி கொடுத்ததுக்கப்புறம் உன்னை பேச சொன்னதுக்கு நீ என்ன சொன்ன? ஐ கேன் டூ தட் அப்படின்னு பேச முடிஞ்சா நீ என்ன பண்ணு, ட்ரை பண்ணு. உனக்கு வேணா ஒரு 2-3 தடவை நான் தமிழ் பேசுறதுக்கு சான்ஸ் கொடுப்பேன். ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்துட்டு பேசுறதுக்கான பேரிகேடை உடை, அதுக்கு தமிழ் அப்படிங்கிற வெப்பன் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. அதுக்கப்புறம் பேரிகேட் உடஞ்ச பிறகு நீ இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுறது. கிருஷ்ணன் பேசுகிற இங்கிலீஷ் கிராமட்டிக்கல் எரர்ஸ் இருக்குங்கிறது அவனுக்கும் தெரியும், எனக்கும் தெரியும். ரித்விகா பேசுகிற இங்கிலீஷில் கிராமட்டிக்கல் எரர்ஸ் இருக்குங்கிறது அவளுக்கும் தெரியும், எனக்கும் தெரியும். பட் ஸ்டில் தே ஆர் ஸ்பீக்கிங். இங்கே கிராமட்டிக்கல் எரர்லாம் இங்கே முக்கியம், கிராமட்டிக்கல் எக்ஸலன்ஸ் முக்கியத்துவம் பேசுறது தான் முக்கியம். இங்கே இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் வந்த புதுசில் பேச மாட்டாங்க. எவ்வளோன்னா வந்ததுலேருந்து பேசுவான், வேதவர்ஷன் வந்ததுலேருந்து பேசுவான். பட் இஃப் யூ டேக் ஹரியன் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், வி டேக் ரித்விகா ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், வி டேக் கிரண் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், வந்தப்பெல்லாம் பேச மாட்டாங்க. கிரண் ஸ்கிட்டில் பேச மாட்டாங்க. ஏப்ரல், மே, ஜூன்லாம் ஷி நெவர் ஸ்பீக்ஸ். இப்போ அவளை வந்துட்டு நீ உட்கார வைக்க முடியாது. யூ ஜஸ்ட் கான்ட் கீப் ஹர் அவே ஃப்ரம் தி கேம். இப்போ வேதவர்ஷன் நவலங்கள்லாம் வந்துட்டு கற்றுட்டாங்கன்னா என்ன ரோல் எடுத்துனாங்கன்னா என்ன ரோல் கொடுத்தாலும் அவங்க பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ எல்லாருமே இப்படி உன்ன மாதிரி இருந்து தான் வந்தானுங்கிறத புரியும். ஆனால் அவங்க யாரும் பண்ணாத ஒரு விஷயத்தை நீ பண்ணிட்டு என்னென்னா உனக்கு அட்டென்ஷன் டெஃபிசிட். எப்போ ஒரு குழந்தை இவ்வளோ பெரிய ஃபன் ஆக்டிவிட்டி நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஃபன் ஆக்டிவிட்டியில் கூட இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லாமல் காலை வச்சுக்கிட்டு சேரை தட்டிட்டு இருக்கோம், அப்போ அது அட்டென்ஷன் டெஃபிசிட்னு இருக்கும். அது உங்ககிட்ட இருந்துச்சுன்னா நான் அலோவ் பண்ண மாட்டேன். அப்பா அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுவார், அம்மா சொல்லுவாங்க. நான் அப்பா வந்து அம்மாவை இல்லை, அந்த டீச்சர் நான் உடப்பேன். உடைச்சி அது சரியாக வரல அப்படின்னா மறுபடியும் உடைப்பேன். ஸோ உடைக்கிறதுடைய ஃபஸ்ட் இனிஷியேட்டிவ் தான் இது. புரியுதா? ஏன் இத்தனை பேர்த்தையும் நிற்க வச்சு உட்கார வச்சு உன்னை இங்கே நடுவு நிற்க வச்சு பேசுகிறேன் அப்படின்னா அவன் சப்கான்ஷியஸ் இதை மறக்காது. இந்த சேலஞ்சை எடுத்து நான் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு பேசுறது ட்ரை பண்ணேன். தமிழில் பேசு, ஃபஸ்ட்டு 2 நிமிஷம் தமிழில் பேசு. பேசுவியா? ஒரு டீனேஜர் வந்து பேசாமல் இருக்கிறான் அல்லது ஒரு பொண்ணு பேசாமல் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு மெயின் காரணம் 4 பேர் என்னை பார்த்து நான் பேசுறதுக்கு சிரிச்சுவாங்களோ அப்படின்னு. இந்த செஷனில் ஆன்லைனில் இருக்கிற மெம்பர்ஸும் சரி, டைரக்டில் இருக்கிற மெம்பர்ஸும் சரி, நீ பேசுகிறப்ப தப்பு இருந்ததுன்னா சிரிக்க மாட்டாங்க, கரெக்டாக பண்ணுவோம். நீ பேசாமல் இருந்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ இவங்கெல்லாம் பண்ண மாதிரி கமான் அப்ரிஷியேட் தான் பண்ணுவான். இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் உலகத்தில் எங்கே போனீங்கன்னாலும் கிடைக்காது. எவனும் இவ்வளோ நல்லவனாக இருக்க மாட்டான். வேற எவனும் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ட்ரைனிங் கொடுக்குறதா எனக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ இது இங்கே தான் நீ கற்றுக்கணும். ஸோ இங்கேயே நீ கற்றுக்கல அப்படின்னா உங்கள் அப்பா உன்னை எந்த கண்ட்ரிக்கு எங்கே கூப்பிட்டு போனது யாரும் இருப்பாங்க, எந்த கண்ட்ரியில் எங்கே கூப்பிட்டு போனாலும் முடியாது. ஓகே, ஸோ இது குட் மேனர்ஸ் கிட்டு ஆப்ட் டைம் இது லேர்ன் பண்ணுறது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு மேனர்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டிங்கன்னா கலந்துக்கணும். நம்மளால் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு பேசுறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணணும். அதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேனர்ஸ். வணக்கம். 6:45 இந்த மழையா போயிடுது. சரி சரி நிற்கிறாங்க. ஸ்கூட்டி வேறு தான் நிற்கிறாங்க. 5:20 வந்துட்டு 6:45 கிளம்புறியோ, இது என்னது என்ன ஞாபகம்? சரி, எதுக்கு இப்படி நேரத்தில் கிளம்பு? அப்போ இனிமேல் 6:40 கிளம்பிடுவேன் எப்பவுமே. ஆகாஷ் கிளாஸ் எடுத்து வரணும். ஆகாஷ் கிளாஸ் எடுத்து இல்லாதப்போ அம்மா ஹெலிகாப்டர் வந்து எடுத்து போவாங்க. அப்பா வரும். நாளைக்கு நீ லேட்டாக முன்னாடி போய் பாரு, இங்கே ஒரு பெரிய கடைங்க. நாளைக்கு ஆகாஷ் கிளாஸ் எடுத்தேன். சரி, புது தெரப்பி கன்ஃபியூஸாக பண்ணு. ஜேர்னல் ரைட்டிங் பண்ணு. ரித்விக் அட்வைஸ் சொன்னால் அவருக்கு பை சொல்லு. ஓகே.
Before you do this, can I ask?
Sure.
Later.
No, you can ask.
Sir, so what person said have me thinking, sir. So is it right or wrong for a person like Charles who studied in India, even though he's fictional, like consider him to be real, sir, for him to go to yet another country because he was forced to, as I mentioned, or even if he is forced to, or just because he wants to, is it right for a person to go from their own country?
No, actually, here what Dinesh John, the character, says is right. He says, he claims one point that he did not do anything for India. But a person who is running a company in India, for India, by Indian resources, will naturally have that angle. So, that's one. Rendavathu, there is nothing wrong in studying in India and going to some other country and working for it. But if the person comes back to India, தாய் வீட்டுக்கு வந்த பிறகு ஒரு புது வீட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த லக்ஸுரி பற்றி ஒரு பையன் பேச மாட்டான். ஸோ இதில் வந்து என்னென்னா இதில் எப்படி மெலோடாம் நீ ஆகும்னு சொல்லி கேட்டீங்கன்னா யூ வில் பி ஏபிள் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். அதுதான் அடுத்த சீக்வன்ஸை நான் கொண்டு வரப்போம். என்னென்னா வேறு வருஷம் இல்லை, சுச்சுவேஷனே அவனுக்கு புரிய வைக்கும். என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டால் அந்த சீக்வன்ஸ் படி என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டால் நம்ம என்ன தான் வெளிநாட்டில் போய் வேலை செஞ்சாலும் besides the point that we are working for the other country, but it is India is capturing me when I am falling down. It is the soil of India that is capturing me when I am falling down, not the country that I am working for. அப்படிங்கிறத புரிய வைக்கிற மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பிரஸ். But to answer your question finally, there is nothing wrong. Studying in India and going to some other place and working for the nation, there is nothing wrong. As long as you don't lose India out of your system, there is nothing wrong. ஆனால் அந்த கண்ட்ரியில் போய் சில பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க என்னென்னா they ill talk India. Exactly, they ill talk India. என்னோட ஃபேமிலியில் இருக்கிற ஒரு பர்சனே அதை பண்ணப்போ எனக்கு கோவம் வந்து நான் திட்டேன். என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா வந்தோடனே அங்கெல்லாம் இவ்வளோ டிராஃபிக் இருக்கிறதா விளையாடி காலேஜ் படிக்கும்போது ஆஸ் என் சபரி பற்றி வந்து லெட்டர் எடுக்குது. ஓகே, பட் யூஎஸில் போய் ஒரு 3-4 வருஷம் இருந்துட்டு வந்த பிறகு யூஎஸில் அப்படி அங்கே இப்படி அங்கே அங்கெல்லாம் கவர்மெண்ட்டில் போனோம்னா அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு டாக்குமெண்ட் சைன் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. இங்கே போய் முனிசிபாலிட்டியில் எவ்வளோ நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணி இதெல்லாம் பேசிட்டு இருந்தேன். இது ரொம்ப தப்பு. ஸோ இப்போ உன்னுடைய கேரக்டர், சார்லஸோடைய கேரக்டர் அதல்ல. நீ அப்படி இல்லை, யூ ஆர் ரெஸ்பெக்டிங் இந்தியா. பட் ஒரு கிளாஸ்மேட் வந்து உன் மேலே பொறாமப்படுறானுங்கிற எமோஷனல் ஹர்ட் தான் உனக்கு இங்கே இருக்கே கிடையாது. யூ ஆர் அ குட் கேரக்டர், ஹீ இஸ் ஆல்சோ குட் கேரக்டர். இவனுக்கு ஈகோ இஷ்யூ, உனக்கு வந்து டிசப்பாயின்மெண்ட். ரெண்டு எமோஷன்ஸும் மோதும் பொழுது குட் மேனர்ஸ் தெரிச்சு வருது. ஃபார்முலா என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா when two emotions clash together, the good manners will be forgotten. உணர்வுகள் அப்படிங்கிறது போகும்போது நாகரிகங்கள் ஓடுது. ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல educated person, educated entrepreneur, very experienced entrepreneur, very experienced NRI, but when they are having their emotions, two emotions are clashing. Emotion number 1, ego. Emotion number 2, disappointment that our friend is hurting our feelings. அப்போ குட் மேனர் அப்படிங்கிறது வரும். நல்லா மெத்த படிச்சு வந்தால் வந்துட்டு ஓகே சாரி, திஸ் இஸ் நாட் த ரைட் டைம் டு ஸ்பீக், நம்ம தனியாக பேசிக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய குட் மேனர் சொல்யூஷன். பண்ண முடியாது, ஒருத்தருக்கு அது வராது. பட் இங்கே நம்ம என்ன டீச் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னோம்னா இந்த சீக்வன்ஸ் முடிஞ்சோடனே இதுக்கான சொல்யூஷன் நம்ம கொடுப்போம். இந்த மாதிரி சுச்சுவேஷனில் நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இது கரெக்டான பிளேஸ் நம்ம பேசுவோம், கடைசியில் பேசுவோம் அப்படின்னு யாரோ ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்டை விட்டு கொடுத்துப்போம். அப்படி போனால் தான் அது குட் மேன். ஆனால் அது நடக்குதா இல்லையா, இந்த இந்தியன் டீனேஜர்ஸ் இப்போ இருக்கிற காலத்தில் அப்படி பண்ணுறாங்களா சரி. பட் நம்ம இந்த ஸ்கிட்டில் அதை சொல்லுவோம். மிஸ்டேக் ரியலைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. உங்கள் 2 பேருக்கும் அதுக்கான சீக்வன்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது அதை நான் சொல்கிறேன். என்ன
Basically, இப்போ போயிட்டு இருக்கு who has the last laugh.
இப்போ அந்த மாதிரி தான் அந்த ஆட்டிடியூட் தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. இப்போ வந்து தினேஷ் ஜானுக்கு வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் வெல்த் கண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கு. உனக்கு வந்து எப்படி நான் கஷ்டப்பட்டு உனக்கு என்ன ஒரு ஃபீலிங் அப்படின்னா இந்தியாவில் நினைச்சு நிற்கிறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. பட் வேற ஒரு கண்ட்ரியில் போய் நம்மளுடைய திறமையை நிலநாட்டி அங்கே நிற்கிறது நல்ல கஷ்டம்னு சொல்லிட்டு உன்னுடைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் டிஸ்கிரீட் ஆகப்படுது. அதுதான் இங்கே நீங்கள் ட்ரை பண்ணுறீங்க. ஸோ இப்போ கேத்ரின், லியானா, கிருத்திகா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டால் பழைய நிலைமை கொண்டு போவோம். காலேஜ் படிக்கும்போது உங்கள் 2 பேருக்குள்ள இந்த பிரச்சனையெல்லாம் இருந்தது. நம்ம எல்லாம் ஒன்றா படிக்கும்போது எங்கள் 3 பேருக்குள்ள சண்டை வந்தால் கூட நீங்கள் தானே ரிசால்வ் பண்ணுவீங்க. இப்போ ஏன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இது பண்ணுறோம். அப்படி ஒரு சீக்வன்ஸ் இருக்குது. சரி தனியாக பேசிட்டு போகுது.
இப்போ வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மஷ்ரன் அவங்களோட கேரக்டர்ல வந்து திரும்பிடுவாங்க சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் அடுத்த சீக்வன்ஸ் வந்து
ஏய் யாருக்கு நான் பேசிட்டு
சார் அவன் பேசுறது
Hey, are you seeing any hallucinations?
Sir, seriously, sir.
எங்கடா கேடு தந்து போகும்போது யாச்சும் பக்கத்துல இருக்க பேசிட்டு போற, உள்ள வரமோ என்னமோ பேசிட்டு நெஞ்சு பிடிச்சிட்டு வர. கீர்த்தனை அவங்ககிட்ட பேசவே கிடையாது.
என்னடா அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்க. நான் வந்து இல்லை
போ அப்படின்னு இருக்கேன். Ladies and gentlemen, Hariharan sees some images and he's speaking. Okay, back in Canada. Anybody in the US batch has anybody in the online batch has got any questions before we continue? And I think this will be the last sequence.
No doubt, sir.
Right, okay. So we are continuing, and in this particular sequence, the climax sequence, before you all people leave from the class, both Charles, all the people are going to speak. Philip will also be speaking. Philip here. So Philip will also be speaking, and here Mitra and Kalpita will stay in character, and they will reminisce the thing that was happening in the college days. But Dinesh John is not prepared to listen to all that. அடுத்த சீக்வன்ஸ், அது நாளைக்கு சீக்வன்ஸ். இப்போ வந்து என்னென்னா நவலன் தான் சொல்கிறோம். என்னென்னா எவ்வளோ சேர்றான். அப்போ மித்ரா இதை கேட்குறான், எங்களுக்கு ரூம்ஸ் வந்து தனியாக அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு கேட்குறேன். இப்போ கேப்டன் சொல்கிறா இருக்குது, இது வந்து கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஆகுதா, பட் கரெக்டாக உங்களுக்கு கம்ஃபர்டபுளான ரூம்ஸ் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.